Hi, in today's video I wanted to share with you a pad thai recipe, and this recipe is special to me because I actually learned it while taking a vegan cooking class in Chiang Mai, Thailand. And I actually took it in a beautiful little vegetarian vegan cafe called Body Tree Cafe, which I can link the information to it down below. And I totally recommend if you have the opportunity to go check them out. This is not sponsored at all, I just really had a great time. And for now, let's get into the recipe. For this recipe, you will need 16 ounces or 500 grams of pad thai noodles, a block of tofu or about 200 grams that you cut into small cubes, half to 1 head of broccoli sliced into small florets, 1 to 2 carrots cubed finely, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar mixed with 2/3 cup of water instead of the traditional juice of tamarind since I couldn't find it, 6 tablespoons of tamari sauce or soy sauce. I add 3 here, but I later added 3 more. You will also need 3 to 4 garlic cloves that you have peeled and minced, 1 teaspoon of sugar, or I chose to use xylitol, half a teaspoon of salt, half or 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 to 2 cups of bean sprouts, 1/3 cup of peanuts crushed, 1 to 2 limes sliced into wedges, and 3 to 5 spring onions that you have sliced. And also, if you would like a little bit of oil, start by making a sauce in a bowl. Add the white vinegar and water mixture, the tamari sauce or soy sauce, the chili powder, the sugar or xylitol, and salt. Then, in a large pan or wok on medium-high heat, add the garlic, carrot, broccoli, and about a quarter of the sauce you just prepared, and saute for 5 to 10 minutes. Add water as necessary to deglaze the pan, or you can use a little bit of oil as I mentioned. Meanwhile, put the pad thai noodles into a large bowl, add some boiling water on top, let it sit and soften for about 6 to 8 minutes, and rinse with cold water. When the veggies have cooked for 5 to 10 minutes, move them onto 1/2 of the pan or wok and add the tofu into the other half. Add another quarter of the sauce mixture on top of the tofu and cook for another 5 to 7 minutes. Then lower the heat, add in the pad thai noodles, the rest of the sauce, and mix everything well together for an additional 3 to 5 minutes. This is also when I decided to add the 3 more tablespoons of tamari, and you can decide to add a little bit of oil if you so choose. Then it is time to serve it up. It is best to start by adding into the bowl the pad thai noodles we just cooked, leaving some space on the side to add a handful or 2 of sprouted beans. Top it with some chopped peanuts, add some sliced spring onion, and a wedge of lime. This recipe is so good, my family really enjoyed having it. They also added a little bit more of tamari sauce as we were eating it, but I made this for our family of 5, so you can always cut this recipe in half if you need to in order to fit your needs better. That is all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like it. If this was your first time here, make sure to subscribe down below to join the Living Life Simply community and never miss another video. And I will see you all very soon with a new video. Bye!